Hello everyone, welcome to Design Visions. In today's video, I'll be making these wire wrapped earrings that you can find at designvisions.com. Let's get started. The materials that you will need will be 3 different types of pliers, 2 beads of your choice, silver wire, but you can use any type of wire, any color, and any gauge. Also 2 different earring clasps. To make these earrings, you'll first start by folding a piece of wire in half. You want this piece of wire to be 2 to 3 inches long. Grab your cutting pliers and clip it off. Now you're going to make a second piece of wire. This wire should be longer than the last piece that you have. Now take the folded piece of wire and overlap each of the wire pieces. You want it to make a small loop at the top. Now take your third piece of wire and wrap it around the loop 2 times. This part might be difficult since I'm using my hands, so it'll be easier. Now I'm using a flat nose plier to make the wire wrapping around the loop smaller and more fitted. Now I'm going to flip over my wire piece, having the loop at the bottom. I'm then going to take one of my beads and put it at the middle wire. You now want to take each side of the wire and pull them down. Now fold each side of the wire around the bead. Overcross them at the top, and you will have to adjust the wire sides very many times throughout this process. Once you have that, you want to fold over your wire pieces to kind of make a crisscross pattern. Now you can add your second bead. You're going to repeat the same thing as we did before by taking each of the wire sides and folding them forward. You might have to do quite a bit of adjusting throughout. You will now find most of the wrapping part completed. It's not going to be perfect, and you can take time to adjust it. To end off the earring, you're going to fold each side of the wire into a loop type thing. Clip off the edges and use a flat nose plier to make it smaller. Now you're going to take a cutting pliers and clip that last piece off. Now you have your completed wrapping earring. But before you're done, you want to take an earring clasp and put it on the actual earring piece that we just made. Use a flat nose plier or any type of plier that you feel works best to close the little hook. There you have your completed earring piece. Make sure you make a second one. Thank you so much for watching this video.